Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable quick launch, which is an action that happens on double press of the side button on Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. If you want to enable quick launch, so whenever you double click on the power button, it will bring an app. Go to settings, then go to advanced features side button. Then make sure that enable press is set, and you can either set it to quick launch camera or to open app. And when it's set to open app, you can choose which app to open. Just like that. But I'm gonna set it to quick launch camera, and now whenever I click on the power button, it opens camera. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.